today we will discuss about the directional derivative. What do you mean by directional derivative? Let phi of xyz be any function, that is phi of xyz equals to xyz square 2xz plus z cube or yz square plus xyz plus z square. Means the phi is a function, it will having the variables x, y, z. So let phi of x, y, z be the any function. Then what do you mean by directional derivative? The rate of change of phi at a point, say point P, along the given direction. Along the given direction means what? Along the given vector. Along the given vector is known as directional derivative, and it is represented by del phi at the particular point P u cap. This is the definition of directional derivative. Del phi, del means I dou by dou x or deba by deb x, j dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z. This is known as the vector differential operator. Del phi. So phi means what? So phi of xyz be the any function. So here phi of xyz be the any function. So then you will get del phi. So del phi means I differentiate phi of xyz with respect to x, differentiate phi of xyz with respect to y, and differentiate phi of xyz with respect to z. So here you will get the value of del phi. And what is P? So P is the any point. So the point will be given 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 0, 3. Matlab x equal to 1, y equal to 0, and z equal to 3. So here you will put in case of x, y, z, in case of del phi, you will get the del phi P. But main that is what? You will find the u cap. So from the u vector, you will find u vector equals to u vector upon u vector का मॉडुलस. तो हमारा del phi आ गया. तो after that del phi, you will calculate the u cap. Then dd will be del phi at the particular point P u cap. So this is your final answer. Okay. So in this way, you will solve the problems. Whenever phi of xyz will be given, then you will find out the directional derivative. But in case of u cap, if u vector is given, that is fine. If another point is given, either there is one point that is given, that is what? P of xyz, and along the another point that is what? Q of xyz. So from that point P and another point Q of xyz, by using the 2 points formula, you will get the u vector x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. So x2 minus x1 I, y2 minus y1 j and z2 minus z1 k. Because you can able to find alpha at the particular point p, but u cap is very important. If one vector is given, that is fine. If one vector is not given, another point is given, you will use the 2-point formula. So here the directional derivative along the vector, that is, note for u cap there are 4 different cases may arise. So what is the first case? What is the first case? Case 1. If u vector is given, then find u cap equals to u vector upon u vector का modulus. Second case, if another point q of x1 y1 z1 and this is x2 y2 and z2, then find pq vector, that is x2 minus x1 I, y2 minus y1 j plus z2 minus z1 k. So x1 y1 z1, that point p, and x2 y2 z2 is the point q. Then we will find the pq vector, x2 minus x1 I, y2 minus y1 j plus z2 minus z1 k. So this is the second case. Then what is the third case? If equation of line is given, that is x minus a upon L, y minus b upon m, z minus c upon n. So here you will take L, m and n. Here the direction issue. So that is u vector will be हमारा क्या होगा, Li plus nj plus nk और Li bar mj bar plus nk bar, because we need one vector. So if one vector came, then you can able to find the u cap. The third case. And what is the fourth case? It will be given along the surface. So what is the equation? Find the direction derivative. If phi of xyz equal to this one at the point P along the surface, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 3 at the point 1, 2, 3. Matlab the equation of surface is given. That is what? X square plus y square plus z square equal to 3 at another point is given at 1, 2, 3. Means, so this one you will convert, let this is phi 1. So phi 1 equals to x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 equals to 0. Because our aim is you will find the u cap. That's all. So based upon the surface, so let phi 1 equal to this one, x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 equal to 0 at the point 1, 2, 3. So here you will find the del phi 1. So what is the meaning of del? I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z with phi 1. So here, so phi 1 equal to x square plus y square z square minus 3 equal to 0. So del phi 1 at the particular point P. So here you will get the u vector. So in this way, the directional derivative, it may come in 4 ways. So out of 4 cases, one way it will come in examination. Okay. So this is what u vector is already given. Another point it is given. This is the equation of line it is given, and this is the equation of circle it is given. At the particular point, another point it is given. तो हमको phi 1 equal to this equal to 0 करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद x y z में हमारा पॉइंट पुट करके you will find the value of u vector, and after that you will find u cap equals to u bar upon u bar का modulus. So this is all about the directional derivative. Now we will solve the various types of problems. Okay. So now you will do the example, that is find the directional derivative phi equals to, this is the phi of x y z is the function x y square plus y z cube at the particular point P 2 minus 1 comma 1. So that so here I told the 4 cases are there, but in a single problem I had solved the 3 cases. This is the first case. This is the along the direction u vector. So already u vector it is given. Just to find the value of u cap, u vector upon u vector का modulus. That's all. Then towards the point, this is x1 y1 z1, and this is x2 y2 z2, x2 minus x1 I, y2 minus y1 j, and z2 minus z1 k. Next, this is what along the direction of the normal to the surface. So x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 equal to 0. This is phi 1. So here you will find the value of del phi 1. Thereafter you will put 1 to z in case of x, y, z. Solution. Given that phi of x, y, z equals to x, y square plus y, z cube. So here we will find del phi. So this is I bar dou by dou x, j bar dou by dou y, k bar dou by dou z. Phi. So this is I bar dou by dou x phi. So this is I bar dou by dou x, j bar dou by dou y, k bar dou by dou z. So what is the value of phi? This is x y square plus y z cube. So differentiate with respect to x. So this is y square, x ka 1, and y z bit is constant, it is 0, y square I. Differentiate with respect to y. This is j 2xy plus z cube plus differential with respect to z, it is 0 plus k 3y z square. So y square I 2xy plus z cube j plus 3y z square k. So this is the value of del phi. This is the value of del phi at the particular point P. So this is del phi at the particular point P. So this is del phi 2 minus 1 and 1. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, and z equals to 1. So this is I, y equals to minus 1 का square plus 2 into 2, 4 4, this is minus 1, this is plus 1, j plus 3 y z square. So this is y equal to minus 1, so minus 3k. So that is I 4 minus 1, minus 4 plus 1, I minus 3j minus 3k. So this is the value of del phi p. So along the vector, now you will solve based upon the first one. So that is u vector equal to kitna? That is I plus 2j plus 2k. Then what is the value of u vector? U vector upon u vector का modulus. So this is I plus 2j plus 2k upon modulus of 1 plus 4 plus 4. So this is I plus 2j plus 2k upon 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. So root of 9, it is 3. So del phi p, and this is, so del phi p, it will be common for all the three cases. Only you will find the value of u cap. Then direction derivative dt equals to del phi p k. So what is the value of del phi? Del phi p, this one. And what is the value of u cap? This one. Multiplication is I dot I 1, I dot j 0. So this I dot I, this is what? 1 minus 6 minus 6 upon 3. So this is minus 11 upon 3 is the answer of the first case. Now you will find the dd towards the point 2, 1, minus 1. So already one point is given, that is what? Del phi p 2 minus 1, 1. This is 2 minus 1, 1, or it is given, and this is another point is given. Okay, so now you will solve for the second one. So that is towards the point 2, 1, minus 1. So here you will find the vector, that is in case of second one, u vector equals to x2 minus x1, this is 0, y2 minus y1, this is 2j, minus 1 minus 1, this is minus 2k. So this is the value of u vector. Then you will find the value of u cap. So u vector upon u vector का modulus. So this is 2j minus 2k upon root of 4 plus 4, 2 square plus 2 square. So this is 2j minus 2k upon 8. So 8 means what? Root of 8. So this is 4 into 2. So this is 2 root 2. So root 8 means that is what? 2 root 2. So this is minus 2k upon 2 root 2. So this is our u cap. So already del phi p already हम निकल चुके, that is I minus 3j minus 3k. So that is, what is dt? So that is dt equals to del phi p into u cap. So what is del phi p? This one. So I dot 0, this is 0, plus minus 3 plus 2, this is what? Minus 6. And this is minus 3 and minus 2. This is plus 6. Del phi p into u cap. So this is 6 minus 6 upon 3. So this is u cap 2j minus 2k upon 2 root 2 and I plus 2j plus 2k upon 3. So this is 3 into 2 root 2. But here that is what 2 into that is what in case of I it is 0. In case of j 2 minus 3, j dot j 1. So 2 minus 3 minus 6 and minus 2 minus 3 plus 6 it is 0. So minus 6 plus 6 upon that is what 2 root 2. 2 root 2 this is del pi I minus 3j minus 3k. I minus 3j minus 3k, only 2 root 2 will be there. Okay, so this is 6 minus 6 plus 6 equals to 0. So इधर हमारा 3 नहीं ना. Okay, so that is 0 minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. So in case of second one it is 0. And now in case of third one, along the direction normal to the surface x square plus y square plus z square equals to 9 at 1 comma 2 comma 2. So already del phi p is there, so del phi p is common for all. Only you will find the u that is the u vector. So this one I will clean now. Okay. Single cell clean. Okay. Solution for let I1 equals to x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 equals to 0. Then del phi 1. Del phi will be what? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by. So this is the value of del. Del of phi 1 x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. Okay, so hence you will differentiate with respect to x. This is xi plus 2yj plus zk. So this is the value of del phi 1, and along the point 1, 2, 2 x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 2. So this is ui x equal to 1 plus 4j plus 4k. So this is the value of del phi 1. Let this is called as the u vector. Okay. So what is the del phi p?